Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna talk about short and long vowel sound. There are two words. For long vowel sound there are pit, and for short vowel sound there are pit, and for the other there are pot. It for short vowel sound, and port for long vowel sound. And I will give you two examples. For long vowel sound there are meat, and for short vowel sound there are wheat, and for the other, for long vowel sound there are pot, and for short vowel sound there are goat. So that's all for me. If I have a mistake, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.